place where we're staying, we don't have a key, so we can get the key at 9 o'clock. So we've got 20 minutes of time to kill. So we don't know where we're going.
We don't know where we're going, so we're just gonna...
What we thought we'd do is that we'd kill time by not
trying
knowing,
to find
by trying to find where we're going without the sat nav. This is our new plan, so wish us luck. We had these major beacons that we were heading for, and we're going in the opposite direction because the roads are one way, so this is fun.
So me and Lily have learned how to bed, slut drop. We've lost the plot. We've lost multiple plots. Yes.
The plan is a gingerbread house.
Like the door.
Does the door even fit in? No.
Meet Fred.
We realised we didn't have any gingerbread cutters, so we're doing them freehand. And Ruby is playing God. Ruby,
Yeah.
what did you just do?
Door is full.
She toys.
Poor Bernard.
Poor bird.
Should make them a dog
A dog or a doctor to sew his foot back on.
A dog.
Can we make both? You tree. You're so Steiner. We've got Fred, Bernard, Charlie, and the dog. Look at that. Oh, you've made letters of us and a heart. I didn't realise you'd done
My
that.
tree. And the sun.
The sun.
So, it's Christmas Eve, and me and Lily have decided to do Christmas presents. Each other now. What's really funny about it is I know she have wrapped mine really well. I don't know if you can see the state of this. It's so bad. I'm really not very good at wrapping. Anyway. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. You got presents. Merry Christmas. See, can I just show you that?
The comparison
How?
of wrapping.
Yeah. The mod. I did literally just film this for them. Who's the better friend? You ripped it.
You can't rip the wrapping paper. That's like half the point of Christmas is trying not to rip the wrapping paper. That's like half the excitement.
And wait, what did Lily get? What did Lily get?
Oh! I wonder.
Wait. What's this? Okay, excuse the fact that we're fully in the not underwear, but look. We've got matching pajama shorts. And you don't understand, like, they're usually the softest thing
You don't
in the
understand.
entire world.
They're like.
You happy? So the other thing that we're doing for each other is we're making stockings, but putting some things in. So what I got was this lip scrub. I've got Rudolph. And this is to match her tattoo, because her tattoo's a spiral. I'm putting a mince pie in it, because mince pies are Christmas, basically. I'm writing little notes on them to explain what they are.
Well, we both wanted to have straws, but obviously, like, it makes you feel guilty when you use those disposable ones. So I thought if we had exciting curly ones, every time we go out for a drink, we can use these instead. They really don't fit at all. But anyway, lychees, because that's like an essential part of Christmas in my head. Biltong is obviously like a major part. There's a spoon with beadwork on it, some glitter and some stuff. And there it